Means this is I will take addition classes as well as subtraction classes. So now let's start with addition. Now I'm going to start addition classes. गिर जाएगा. Addition. अगर if I tell कि 2 plus 2 कितना होता है, means suppose if you are having 2 mangoes, if you are having already 2 mangoes and I am giving 2 more mangoes, so how much you will get? How much it will be total? 4. Am I right? Am I right? See my daughter, she is disturbing me. Have you got my point? So if I am having already 2 mango, I am giving 2 more mangoes. How many it will be? Total is it 4. In the same way, because this is single digit number. Single digit number in the sense this is 2 plus 2. What will happen? This is 4. Am I right? If I go for the further number, little bit more number, this is 9, this is 8. What will happen? 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8, 17. Got my point? मेरी बेटी मेरे को गुस्सा कर रही है, चिढ़ा रही है. मैं अपने बेटी से परिचय कराता हूँ. आज बेटा, she is my daughter. She is studying in LKG, junior KG. One more daughter here. They are twin sisters. हाई कर दो viewers को. चलो बैठ जाओ आप लोग. So 9 plus 8 it will be 17. Now this is a smaller number, so I think you got my point. How to add and how to add of the single digit. Now I will go for the double digits. If I start with the 8 0 and 2 0. Now the twist starts from the higher digit number. छोड़ दो बेटा. This is 0 0 plus 0 0. One thing I will explain in detail. If you add any number. If you add any number in the sense I write 1 name. If I add any number with a 0, always you get number only. Suppose if I say example, if number is 5 and in 5 if I add 0, what will happen? 5 only. You are having 5 rupees already, and I am giving nothing to you. And I suppose I said, and if I suppose to say you, just add how many rupees you are having now. 5 rupees only, because I am giving nothing to you. The same way, if I add any number with 0, you will get the same number. And if you add 0 plus 0, always will be 0. This is all simple basic concept. In further classes, you get all kind of concept. So this is 0 plus 0, it will be 0. 8 plus 2, it will be 100. Okay? Now, तुम भी सीखो बेटा. 91 plus 99. दिखाई दे रहा है अगर? 91 plus 99. How much it will be? 9 plus 1. How much it will be? If you are having 9 rupees and your father is giving 1 rupees more, what will happen? It will become 10 rupees. So you can't write 10 here directly because one more number is there to add. So what you will do? 9 plus 1, 10. You have to write the 0 here. Write 0 here means 9 plus 1, 10 it will be. Right side number means this is the first digit number. First digit number you write here, and 1 will be carry forward in the another number. So now this is 9 plus 1, 10. So we have to write 0 here. First digit number you have to write, and 1 will be carried forward and that will add into the another number. So now this is 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So 91 plus 99, it will be 190. Try to understand. Very easy concept. Now, we will go to the higher number. 7, 8, 9. 4, 9, 6. So how will I add this number? Because this is a very bigger number, very difficult word. Nothing to do. If you are adding single number, you will get the same concept. If you are adding another number, double digit number, same concept. Three digit number, same concept. Just need to add only. So what we will do? What is the number? 7, 8, 9, 9, 4, 9, 6. How much it will be? Choto beta. Gira jaya, choto beta. 9 plus 6. If I am having 9 rupees, I am giving 6 rupees more. What will get? 9 plus 6, 15. 1 will be carried forward, so that will come here, 1 will come here. Now 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. 18 means 1 will come carried forward. So 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. Am I right? Got my point? Can I tell one basic concept to you? We add this because this is the... See, shortcut will never work. I have seen numbers of students looking for shortcuts. Shortcut, when helps shortcut? If you know the basics, then it will help you a lot. But if you don't understand the basic, shortcut will never help you. So this is the basic. If you go to the shortcut method, what will happen? You got the answer 1285. Now see. This is what that will get the answer. Basic concept. 7 plus 4, 11. Leave 1. 9 plus 8, 17. 9 plus 6, 15. What will get? 1, 2. Just add 1, 1, 1, 2. 7 plus 8. This is 5. You get the same number, no? What I did? Nothing I did. If you are adding like this, you will get the same answer. Adding like this, you will get the same answer. Concept will be same only. But if you understand the basics, then you can understand very easily. I think you didn't understand it. I will tell you. This is 7, 8, 9, 4, 9, 6. See the I told you two methods. See the logic method. See the if you don't know basics, but you want to know the shortcut method, I will tell you. 7 plus 11, 7 plus 4, 11. Leave one digit. 9 plus 8, 17. 9 plus 6, 15. What will happen? Just add all those. Leave a digit 1. Now this is 1 plus 1, 2. 7 plus 1, 8, 5. 1, 2, 8, 5. If you add like that, you will get the same answer. If you add like this, you will get the same answer. I think you might understood. Am I right? Now we'll go for what we'll go for? We'll go for subtraction. Let's go. Is to read. Go for subtraction. Am I right? Are you okay? Got my point? Let's move to another topic. Subtraction. Subtraction in the sense, if you are having 40 rupees and I said just give me out of 40 rupees, give me 20 rupees to me, then how many rupees you are left with? 20 only, na? Suppose this is you, 40 rupees you are having. This is me. I'm asking to you, give me 20 rupees to me. What will you do? Simply minus, na? If you are giving to someone else, if you are giving to me, then the adding. If I am taking from you, it's 40 minus 20, 20 only, right? The same thing here. We'll go with a single digit subtraction. This is 3 minus 2, 1. 20 minus 10, 10. 50 minus 40, 10. समझ में आया? Now I'm going to go with the double digit number. 48 minus 36. Now what you will do? Can you tell me? 8 minus 6 कितना होगा बेटा? 8 minus 6 बता दो. अगर आपके पास 8 रुपीज है, 6 रुपीज तुमने पापा को दे दिया तो कितना बचेगा? तुम बताओ इसे. बताओ अपने व्यूअर्स को बताओ. 8 minus 6 2, 4 minus 3 1. So out of 48, if you are having 48 rupees and 36 rupees, out of 48 rupees 36 rupees you are giving to someone else, so now you are having only 12 rupees left with. But my point, the same way 96 rupees you are having, 90 rupees you are giving to someone else, what will you get now? 6 minus 0, you will get 6, 9 minus 0. If you are 0 is coming before the any digit, number will be 6. This is called only 6. Because this 0 is makes lot of difference. If this 0 will come after the digit, it becomes 60. But it will come before the digit, it will be only 6. So before the number, if it comes 0, it do not make any changes. If a number is there, if any number is there, if minus 0 from any number, you will get the same number. But my point, if I go for addition or subtraction, add or subtract, you will get the same number. Keep in mind, if you add any number with 0, you will get the same number. If you subtract any number with 0, you will get the same number. But my point, just why I am repeating, because you should not supposed to confuse ever. समझ में आ रही है ना? Now go for the bigger number. This is 986281. Okay. So now 6 minus 1, how many? 5. 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 2, 7. 705. Okay. Now let's check. Okay. 1 0 4 5 minus 2 0 3 minus. What will do? 5 minus 3 2. 4 minus 0. But I said if you go for subtraction, either subtraction or addition. If you subtract 0 from any number or add 0 in any number, you will get the same number. Means 4 minus 0 will be 4 only. Here 0 is there. What I said again, subtract from any number to 0, you get the same number, but you are not subtracting with 0, because there is logic is there. If this number is 0, means there is not 1, there is not 0, this is 10 only. So this is 10. 10 minus 2, it will be 8. Am I right? So now because that number will go there only. So now this becomes 0. So now answer is 842. Question for you. Just give the answer in comment box. If I say 4097 632, give the answer 4097 minus 632. And please do comment, do like and share among with your friends. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you. Take care. Bye bye.